Naa kay problema? Ayaw kabalaga. Asia Link ang duula. Naara kini doon sa 7-Eleven. Second floor. Baktas ng kagamay dira. Kita nimo sa pawala. Unang kanto. Mao na. Suroy na kamo diri.
Good morning. Welcome to Asia Link Finance Corporation. I'm Roelyn Duteri, Branch Manager of Asia Link Finance Corporation, Panagi Branch. Here in Asia Link Finance Corporation, we offer different products just like car financing, truck financing, multi-cab financing, regular loan for car, truck, and multi-cab. And we have personal loan just like doctor's loan. And now we offer real estate mortgage. To inquire for Asia Link or for more details, you can visit our FB page, Asia Link Finance Corporation, or our messenger account for Asia Link Panagi. Our requirements for Asia Link loan, we have ORCR, completely filled up application form, 2 valid IDs of both spouses, marriage contract, electric bill, bank statement, and business permit, and DTI. For more details, just contact 0917-584-1675. And don't forget to like our pages and our FB posts. And always remember that Asia Link Finance Corporation, you have us.